Thank you so much, sir, for talking to Times Network in a future investment initiative in Riyadh. Just want to understand from you in changing global economy, what role Bitcoin will play in going ahead.
So here at the FII, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies had been a major topic, not only because of the rise of Bitcoin, but also about the hype around stablecoins right now and the future of tokenized assets. So I said at a panel discussion, in crypto, money doesn't just move, it thinks.
Okay, but there are countries which have not allowed cryptos. So what are the kind of risk associated with crypto? So countries are not comfortable, like India, the crypto is not allowed in India yet.
So cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is a fundamental layer, and it's upgrading the system. So it won't replace banks or financial institutions, but there will be new efficiency gains coming in. So ultimately, it is like a digitalization of the monetary system, and blockchain technology is definitely like a key part of that change, bringing the more outdated analog processes in the future world.
Okay.
And that's why we can discuss about regulation, but the opportunities are really like balancing regulation and innovation.
So do you think that going ahead, demand for crypto will increase?
So Tether, the CEO, just had been telling me that they reached 500 million active wallets, so 500 million users. At that threshold, it is an evidence that crypto is here to stay, the technology is there, the usage is also exploding at the moment. When you see technology life cycles, when you reach 100 million active users, it's something which is then never going to be going away anymore. And with 500 million users, I assume that we will have a billion, probably early next year already, and they all want to use cryptocurrency. So I think the TradFi or traditional finance are now trying to catch up.
Okay, my final question to you is, do you think that the rise of crypto is also linked to the dollar also, and the value of dollar will also be impacted after rise in crypto?
So Bitcoin is the digital gold, but if you look at stable coins, it is now with the Genius Act in the US and being empowered and enabled to be exported globally. And with the debasing happening right now in the US dollar, it is really a massive risk that the dollar might hit hyperinflation or will bring like the world economy to a big crisis. So what they're trying to do now is basically to embrace US dollar adoption around the world, from Africa to Latin America to India also. Everybody's buying the digital form, the digital dollar, and that's why Tether, USDT or Circle and many other stable coins which are out there are growing super rapidly.
Okay, one final question. So according to you, what's the correlation between crypto and the gold also?
So I spoke about tokenized commodities already, and that's a key topic here at the FII. It's about upgrading how trade is done. Global trade is still in an outdated analog way. Sometimes settlement takes up to 30 days. This can be all changed with tokenized commodities. And speaking about gold, it can be like we already did at Timons, our project, we did tokenized gold. So you can buy one like physical 1 ounce gold bar on chain, you get a digital ownership deed, and you can trade it globally without moving the underlying asset. Now we're taking this to the next level with the LCX tokenization framework and Timons, where we do total tokenization commodities at large scale, whether it's gold, copper, crude oil, or energy projects, which we're now making ready for digital global trade.
Thank you so much for talking to Times Network.